Hey guys, Ray here again with another trade analysis. I'm actually looking at the euro dollar and I'm actually on the 1 hour time frame. Hang on, let me get some water here. Been doing trade webinars all morning. All right, so looking at the euro dollar, and let's take a look at what's going on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, and let me get rid of these, we're seeing where price has been literally going sideways for the past few weeks, or I would say since January. Price has been going sideways, right? So that level right there, we're going to consider this to be already the support area. And if you notice, on the resistance side, price kept coming downwards. So price is basically caught within a channel right here. And we're going to also bracket right there. So it's basically resistance and support areas are zone areas and not a specific price point. And that's something that a lot of traders are unaware of. That, you know, when you're looking for support and resistance, you're not looking for it at a specific price area, but you're bracketing a zone where you expect the market to react. So right here we can see that the market's reacting. It did break this level of support, this previous level of support, but if you look here, we see that also here the market held here, and the market also held here. So we're kind of expecting some level of price rejection at this level, and we could actually see price bouncing back into this level of resistance. I would say around here, back into that level of resistance before actually going downwards. Now that's scenario number one. Scenario number two, we could see the market playing out within this descending triangle here until we get that breakout, wherever it is, either to the upside or to the downside. I'm not sure. But for right now, we're looking at this level here, and I'm saying this level is actually holding as support. So my bias in the market at this moment is to buy, but I'm going to be cautious on this, because if you're looking at the MACD, we're seeing that the MACD is going sideways at this point. So that would indicate to me there's going to be some level of consolidation, probably within a tight area here. And consolidation is an area that I don't want to get caught in, but you know, that's something we cannot avoid once we execute a trade. All right, so we look at the forward chart, and on the forward chart, if you notice right where we have support, we have this nice tweezer bottom setup here in the market. So with this tweezer bottom setup, I could expect price to pull back downwards, retesting these lows here. So past resistance right here. So right this level, we had past resistance. Could see price come down to this level, which would become future support, and then we could actually see the market take off. Probably, I would say the first level of take profit would be around this level, around this area here. So I'm not really expecting price to rally up into these levels of resistance. I'm expecting the first area of defense, or the first line of defense, is going to be around here at around 123.20, 123.00 price range. So I would be looking out for that. And also, if you take a look at the MACD, we're seeing that the MACD, we're looking to see a turn in the MACD at this point before actually deciding to go long. Now if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, we can see a nice little curve in the market. And this is a setup I love to see, where the market does something like this. It's a clean turn in the market. I like to see those clean turns in the market. However, this time of evening is not my best time to trade, so I'm still going to watch the market for a while and see what happens. So the only way I'm going to take this trade is if price actually pulls back into, say, that level of support here. So this level of support should be around the same area that I'm looking at on my daily chart, on my 4 hour time frame. So yep, so if price pulls back down to this level right here, that would give me a good entry. So I'm risking 40 pips for an estimated of 90 pips to the upside. So that's a 1 to 2 and change risk to reward ratio. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. And as I said before, I'm waiting for price to come to me. If the price actually continues to go upwards, hey, so be it. I'll wait for the next one. But for right now, I'm waiting for price to pull back down into this level, which I'm expecting it to, because as I said, it's 3:30 right now, so the US market is getting you ready to be closed, and then we're going into the Sydney market and the Asian session after that. So again, I'm looking at this level of support to get into the trade, or to assess the market at that point and see if it's actually going to be a good trade at this level. So this is my era of trading opportunity at this point, and I'm going to keep an eye on this pair as the day goes by. Let's take a look at my Aussie pair. So okay, on the Aussie yen, nice trade we got into a few days ago. We got into that trade around here, and price rallied up to our take profit level. Of course, I had indicated to you guys to get out around here. Price did rally into that take profit level. I think only shy of around 8 pips. I think we had like 83.10, which was our original take profit. The market went as high as 83.08 and then reversed. So that was a good trade where we picked a nice trend up into this level, and then the market fell back into this level of support. So it's all the way back down to structure, and we're looking to see some level of consolidation here before the market does something next. Now, I am expecting the market to continue trading downwards at this point. So looking at this time frame, which is a daily chart, we can see here we have nice squeeze at top there. Then the market broke this level of support, retest this morning, so that's the retest we got out of, and then the market got rejected here, and so we're expecting the market to just continue going downwards. So how I'll be looking to trade this is going down to the 1 hour chart. Is basically if price comes back into this level of resistance here, so if price gets back into this level of resistance here, I would actually be looking to get into a trade. So I'm expecting a pullback into these levels. My stop loss will be there, and then I'll be making a trade at this point, and then my take profit, let's be a little bit on the go in the long term. My take profit is going to be around here. So if that happens, we're looking at not much, 75 pips in profit, but on the risk side, we'll be looking at around 20 pips, 25 pips on risk, and we're looking for about 75 pips on the profit side. So again, I'll keep my eyes open for this, and I will keep you guys updated. So until next time, I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.